Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're diving deep into a topic many of you have been asking about: how to install powerful optimization modules in Magisk Vexirox without needing traditional root access. Yes, you heard that right. We're talking about boosting your device's performance through Magisk Vexirox, which is a fantastic rootless solution based on the Shizuku framework. If you haven't set up Magisk Vexirox on your device yet, don't worry at all. I've put together a comprehensive installation tutorial, and you'll find the link to that video right in the description below. Please make sure to check that out first, as it's the foundation for everything we're about to do. So, let's jump right into the installation process. It's surprisingly straightforward. First things first, you'll need to open your Magisk Vexirox application. From there, you want to navigate to the Modules section. This is where all your installed Magisk modules are listed, and it's also where we'll add our new ones. Next, look for the distinctive plus icon. Upon tapping the plus icon, you'll be presented with an option to select a slot for your new module. Magisk Vexirox usually provides 20 available slots, ranging from 1 to 20. After selecting your desired slot, the app will prompt you to select the module's zip file from your device's internal storage. This is a crucial step. Before you begin this process, ensure you've already downloaded the specific GPU, RAM, and CPU optimization module zip files to your phone. Don't worry about finding them. I've made it super easy for you by providing direct download. Links for all these powerful modules in the video description below. After the installation is complete, you'll usually get a notification or see a success message within the Magisk Vexirox app. The beauty of these specific optimization modules is that you can often observe the positive effects almost immediately. You might notice your apps opening faster, transitions feeling smoother, and overall device responsiveness significantly improved. It might spoof your device model to ROG phone or any other phone. First module, GPU optimization. This module will fine-tune your device's graphics processing unit, leading to smoother graphics, better frame rates in games across your entire system. Second, RAM optimization. We'll be installing a module designed to intelligently manage your device's random access memory. Third, CPU optimization. This module will help your CPU handle tasks more efficiently, resulting in quicker app launches, faster processing of data, and an overall more responsive system. That's all for today's in-depth tutorial, everyone. If you found this video helpful and are enjoying the boost in your device's performance, and if you haven't already, consider subscribing for more useful tech tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.